Okay, today is Father's Day. It's Daddy's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Ang ganda ng sapatos ni Mr. Richard Rosales.
Oh, hello.
Na-break-in mo na ba yan?
Yes, ilang beses na eh. Break-in na siya.
Anong definition ng Father's Day?
Ito ang definition ng Father's Day.
Ayan, lahat po ng mga karga para sa mag-ina niya. Ayan, dahil today is Father's Day, andito kami ngayon sa Boys and Girls Club sa Basketball League ni Tupe, PBL. Second game sila Rec. Ayan, naglalaro ng first game. Team Jack Rec for the win! Happy Father's Day! Thank you! Yun na po ang father, nagse-set up ng mga upuan yung mag-ina niya. Ito na po yung mga uniform ng Team Jack Rec. Siyempre nasa plastic po ng Jollibee yan, Pinoy na Pinoy. Okay.
You know.
Nice. Oh, it's nice, ha? Tupe, Basketball League, California.
Senator Fernandez. Happy Father's Day! Hector! Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day! Happy birthday!
Happy Father's Day! You know, ating Commissioner Tupe, PBL.
Good morning. Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Check rec.
Ganun din naman yan. With all uniformity of the green and white and purple. Ganda rin. No? Ang naglalaro ngayon first game. Second game kasi sila Rec. Team Jack Rec. Okay, so ganyan, as usual kapag merong mga ganito, mga basketball game, liga, pick-up game, nandito kami sa Gedli ng aking anak. Ayan. Kami ang taga-cheer dito talaga. Yun ang ano namin dito. Support, for support. I-video ko mamaya yung game ng Team Jack Rec, but then watch out na lang sa live video. Kasi ila-live ko siya. Ila-live ko. Hindi ko siya i-record dito sa GoPro. Today is Father's Day. Open League. Ngayon dito sa BBL. Tupe Basketball League. Okay. Siyempre pag Father's Day, kailangan may laro talaga. Pero pag mga ibang mga okasyon, lagi silang pahinga. Pero kapag ka Father's Day, syempre they make sure na talagang merong game. Lalo pat natapat ng linggo. Good luck Team Jack Rec. Let's win!
Daddy, go!
Yan, nanalo ang blue versus black. At kami na nga nasusunod. Team Jack Rec versus orange. So it's gonna be green versus orange. Go green. Go Team Jack Rec. And again, I'm gonna shoot this this game live on my Facebook page. So watch out. Naka-live na ako. Naka-GoPro pa ako. Ay nako, yan na. Naagaw. 18:35 ang score. Kunin ang bola. Okay, so first half is done. Score is 26-37 in favor of Team Jack Rec, green team. Ayun, sana manalo. We won! Team Jack Rec won! Congrats! Yes, panalo! Panalo ang Team Jack Rec. Hi, love! Congrats, love! Napaka-galing naman!
Player of the game.
Ayan, so nandito ako sa labas. Lumabas muna ako, nagbibihis na si Rec. Again, nanalo tayo, Team Jack Rec. Yes. First game yan ng dito sa Open League ng Paligan ni Tupe, TBL, Basketball League. Lumabas muna ako dito kasi, alam nyo, may sekreto ako eh. Meron akong, tawag dito, syempre nga naman, Father's Day ngayon. Meron akong maliit lang naman na surprise para kay Rec. Alam nyo kasi ang hirap, kung sabihin mong reregaluhan ng material si Rec, mahirap kasi hindi talaga siya yung mahilig sa material. Parang hindi ko nga alam kung ano ang luho niya eh. Parang gano'n, wala siyang medyo mahirap siyang regaluhan kasi parang hindi siya mapaghangad ng kung anong material. So ang gusto lang yan talaga, mahilig yan, basketball. Ayun, kumakanta-kanta siya. Tapos tawag dito yung time with family talaga, na bonding lang kami sa bahay, nakaupo lang kami sa couch, tawag dito, nanonood lang kami ng TV, naka-phone, ganyan lang kami. Yun lang ang sa ganung routine naming pamilya, super happy kami. At lalong-lalo na si Richard, gustong-gusto niya yung mga ganung mga ganap, yung relax lang. So naisip ko, isusurprise ko siya na kami ay manonood ng sine. Yan, kung hindi nyo po alam, si Richard po ay napakahilig pong manood ng mga movies. Sobrang hilig niya sa TV. Siguro luho niya yun. Sobrang dami naming TV. Marami pa kaming TV sa bahay na hindi namin nagagamit, na nadula sa storage. Kabibili at ka-upgrade niya ng mga TV. Kasi mahilig talaga siyang manood ng mga movies. Chill lang sa bahay, sa couch with chips. Chips kami, tapos nanonood ng movie. So ngayon, nag-decide ako na i-surprise siya. At wala siyang kaalam-alam na bumili na ako ng movie tickets. At hindi lang po isa ang papanoorin namin na movie. Never pa namin ginawa to as mag-asawa o as pamilya, na aalis kami pupunta sa movie theater na 2 movie ang papanoorin namin. Ngayon lang na back to back na dalawang movie yung papanoorin namin, because it's Father's Day, and I'm sure he will be surprised and he will be happy because it's bonding, family bonding, na simple lang, nood sine, tapos syempre kakain kami. Mawawala ba yung pagkain? Of course, yun talaga yun eh. Yun talaga yung habol ko dito, yung pagkain. Ayan, so babalik na ako doon kasi mahalata na niya ba't ang tagal ko. Of course, lahat ito ay nandito sa video na to, so watch out. Aba, hinahanap nyo na ako kaagad. Konting
Namiss ka namin eh.
nawala lang sa paningin mo, ha? So, love, kamusta ang game nyo?
Panalo kami, you know, we execute our game. We played defense all throughout the game, and we were passing the ball accurately, and we minimized our turnovers in the end.
Ano yan? Memorize mo ba yan? Parang naririnig ko yan sa mga NBA players eh. Balita ko, player of the game ka.
Sorry, medyo lang.
Batang-bata.
Medyo.
Palibasa, Father's Day, nagpasikat ka. Taragu!
Taragu!
Are you okay with Mexican food?
Mexican? Oh, yes.
Okay, go. Okay ba sa'yo Mexican?
Yes.
Landeros.
Ba? Teka. Malandi to ah. Teka. Saan to? Sa atin?
Oo.
Head north.
Pala sabi ko ba't ang layo?
Then turn right onto Catella Avenue.
Landeros. Parang nakikita ko to.
Hindi mo pa nakikita yan. Tago
Never ba?
daw. Sabi
Tago?
sa review, tago.
Oh.
So, kakain kami ngayon, guys. Pero, syempre, dahil mapakalayo namin, kami mga taga-probinsya.
Isang oras ang biyahe.
So, ayan. Papunta na kami doon. And kita-kits tayo doon once we are nandun. We're here at Landeros Mexican Grill and Cantina.
Are you saying Jeff out there is correct? Jordan, yes, it is. And you should go. Three of us. You carry the snacks, we'll carry that.
Cute nito, may gold wings. Dapat mag-picture kami dyan mamaya. Meron silang outdoor. Meron silang outdoor dining. Tapos meron rin silang indoor. Ganyan siya, parang kala mo parang hindi restaurant ang nasa baba. Nantay natin si Rek dahil humanap siya ng parking. Ang hirap humanap ng parking dito, guys. At malilate na kami dun sa movie. Patay. Hi, baby. Na po yung mag-ama, oh. Naghihintay. Gutom na.
Gutom na ako ah.
Baby.
Are you hungry? We're gonna eat a lot.
Naghihintay pa kami. 15 to 20 minutes daw. Hi! So, we are here inside Landeros Mexican Grill and Cantina. Cute dito sa loob, guys. Marami silang mga art. Maliit lang siya, guys. Very intimate. First time namin dito. We've never been to this restaurant. Sabi sa reviews, okay daw. Masarap. Authentic Mexican food. So, let's see. Hello, Father. Opo ka dyan. I think dapat kayong dalawa magkatabi. Dahil Father's Day ngayon. Lagi naman tayo magkaniig. Meron na silang pa-appetizer na chips and salsa. So that is a good impression, huh? Yeah. How about you? Yum, yum.
Good.
So naka-order na kami. Ang bilis ng pangyayari, hindi ko na na-video. Bigla na sila lumapit dito, order na kami. So, anyhow, makikita nyo pa rin naman kung ano yung order namin. Ngayon, kumakain na kami nitong chips and salsa. Sarap pa.
Sarap.
Diba? Happy Father's Day! Okay guys, so this is me right here. This is a combination plate with crispy taco and flauta, both beef with the rice na hindi naman natin mahirap tayo magra-rice, mga friends. At, tawag dito, beans. Yum, yum.
Okay.
Rice and beans.
Thank you.
This is Jenny, the cheese quesadilla. Yum, yum. At yung iyo, wala pa. Kawawa mo ng
This is
Father's
mine,
Day.
onion and tomato.
Hindi na ako makatiis.
Yeah.
Mm.
Plate is hot.
Sarap yung beans nila. So yung kanilang crispy taco. Mm. Mm. Guys, yung beef nila lasang lechon. Grabe.
Oh yeah?
Ibang klase. At hindi maalat. It's really good. Yum. Si Rek, wala pa yung food niya. Yan na siya. OMG,
Jumbo.
what is that?
It's a shredded chicken burrito
El
with
Supremo yata.
El Supremo. El Supremo.
Okay,
Topped with it's a wet burrito. I won't be able to eat all of it. It's too
Yan,
big.
masyado malaki yan.
I'm just gonna eat half. Ooh, look at that chicken. That shredded chicken. Yeah.
Yan, yan.
All the veggies.
Happy Father. Cheese quesadilla. Ooh. Sarap.
It's fun. Guys, first time ko itry ito. Ang tawag nila ay flauta. So, meron siyang beef sa loob. Para siyang lumpiang Shanghai, guys. Na merong sour cream and cheese on top. Mommy, be careful because you might not like it.
Okay, let's try it.
Make you like it.
Para siyang lumpiang Shanghai na beef yung nasa loob na creamy.
Creamy. Sarap.
Ela, sa sobrang kabusugan na. Ayan. Ayan, tapos na kami dito. At kami ay late na. Grabe. First time na na-late kami sa ganito. So, I don't know. I guess papapasukin naman kami dahil prepaid na yung movie tickets. So, bahala na gang. Kinuha na ni Rek yung sasakyan. So, halika na. Bilis!
Where are we going?
Late na tayo eh.
Late na tayo saan?
We're gonna go to the movie theater.
Wow! What are we gonna watch?
Yay! Okay, go. AMC, Temecula. 1 mile.
AMC.
1
Oh my God.
Mommy? Why? We are late.
I wish
We're
that.
late. What are we watching?
We are late though. That's why I'm stressing out. But then, we cannot do anything about it. So,
Then turn right
So
onto
it's
Mercedes Street.
okay.
Ang sini naman, hindi kagad next to start eh.
kahit pa. Nagda-drive kami ngayon. Malapit lang naman. Pero 5 minutes pa rin. Okay. Kasi nga, yan nga. Surprise. Hindi alam eh.
I don't know. Anong ba ang
At the light,
papanoorin natin?
turn
Hindi
right
ko alam.
onto
I don't
Rancho
know.
California Road.
Na-surprise ako ah. I love watching the movies.
Of course.
I'm
you
a
do.
movie buff.
And we are here. Jenny, are you excited?
Watch a movie, Jenny. This is a surprise movie. Ice cream for later.
Hi, bestie.
Want ice cream for later? Pakaganda naman itong hawak ko.
Okay, we're here at AMC Theater here in Temecula. Let's go. Late na mga people. What is our...
Sadness, you won't hurt it, I promise. Have I ever steered you wrong before?
Yeah, many times.
Come on.
Inside out.
Where I go.
Inside out.
So we are here at the second auditorium. We are done watching the first movie, which is, what was the movie?
Inside Out 2.
Yes. So now we're at the second movie, and Rec doesn't have any idea of what movie it is. So, sana magustuhan. Meron kami ditong popcorn, peach tea, at meron siyang hotdog. Yan. Nod-nod muna kami dito. Magsimula na rin tong movie. Okay, tapos na kami mag-watch ng movie. Love, nag-enjoy ka ba ngayong Father's Day?
Enjoy.
Ikaw, anak, did you enjoy, baby?
Good. Inside Out 2 was the best.
Really?
Inside Out? That's a good movie.
Nag-enjoy daw. Na-approve ng aking mag-ama ang aking surprise. So, happy ang
Happy and sad.
Jack.
It's really good.
Happy ang asawa at ang ina.
Bad boys, bad boys.
So,
What you gonna do?
we watched two movies back to back. The first one was Inside Out Part 2, and then the second one was Bad Boys. What's that?
Ride or Die.
Ride or Die. Pangatlo na ba yun?
Yes.
Okay, so it was a very good movie. We had a really great time, no,
So
Rek?
much fun.
And we have popcorn to go. Ang sarap kasi, parang hirap na may tapon. Pwede pa yan eh. Diba, anak?
Best
So again,
Father's Day ever.
Yay! Watch this full video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.